Here's how to change font color in WordPress the easiest way, no plugins and no code. Log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're editing a page, click Pages, then All Pages in the left menu. For a blog post, click Post, then All Posts. Find the page or post and click Edit. The editor opens with the page laid out in blocks. Once the editor opens, find the text you want to change and click right inside that block. The block toolbar appears above the text and it changes to show the block name. If you're working with a paragraph, it should say paragraph in that toolbar. That is your signal that you're in the right place. Look at the toolbar above the text. If you don't see the full formatting row, click the three dots. That expands the rest of the tools. Look for text color or color. If it's not there, go to the right-hand settings panel and open the color section. Then click text color. If text color looks grayed out, click into the block first. It activates as soon as the block is selected. WordPress now shows the available color choices. The preset circles come from your theme, and I always pick one of those first because it keeps your design consistent. If you need a specific shade, click Custom Color and the color picker opens. Drag the picker or select a color. If a hex field is available, type your exact value. For example, 0066cc gives you a strong blue. I always type the hex when I have a brand color already because it's faster than dragging. Then click outside the color picker, the text changes immediately. And while you're here, use stronger colors for headings or a short callout, not for entire paragraphs. Now the mistake most people make before selecting words. If you just change the block color, the whole paragraph gets it. If you only want part of a paragraph, highlight the exact words first. I do this when I want just the word important in red, leaving the rest of the sentence black. With those words highlighted, open the text formatting options again, choose text color and select the color. Only the highlighted words change. You can do the same thing with a heading. Click the heading block. Open its color settings, choose text color and pick the color. The heading updates on its own without touching the paragraph below it. Lists, quotes, and buttons have the same text color control when you select those blocks. If you don't see the color option in one of them, check the block settings panel on the right, because the exact spot changes depending on the block in your theme. In the site editor, the setting can also appear under Styles. Before you save, click Preview. WordPress opens the live page in a new tab. Check how the text looks on your website. Make sure you look at desktop and mobile, because a color that works on a white desktop background can be too low contrast on a phone screen. If everything looks correct, click Update for an existing page or post. For new content, click Publish. Then visit the live page and confirm the new font color appears the way you expected. Now that the block color is set, here's the next thing people ask. If you want that text color across your entire website, don't edit every block. Go to Appearance, then Editor, then Styles. Your theme's typography and color settings are in there, and those changes apply to multiple pages and posts. That is powerful but risky, so I only use the global settings for a whole site brand change. For a single paragraph, keep the color on that individual block instead. Also check the contrast between the new text and its background. Dark text on a light background is easiest to read, and bright yellow on white is a mistake I see too often. If you used a light font color for large amounts of text, switch it back to a preset unless it's just for emphasis, and limit the page to 2 or 3 text colors because too many colors make the page harder to read. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.